Hi everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I found the craziest thing. These are burp zombies, and they're only $2 on clearance. I'm at Walmart. See, there's the clearance sign. And I think there's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get 8 different kinds for $2, and they burp when you get near them. They're motion activated. This is Gary Gobbler. It's got like a hatchet in his head. Gary, burp, burp. Hear that? This is Sir Belch-a-lot. He's got like a fish hook in his head. These are burp zombies, motion activated burps. Here is Burpster Billy. He's got a saw in his head. And this one is Upchuck Chuck. He's got an arrow in his head. You hear him burping? And here is DJ Brains. Does he burp? Come on, come on. There he goes. And this one is Squelchy Belchy. He's got headphones on. I think I found 6 of them, but they're supposed to be... Oh, they're burping now. You hear that? I found 6. Whoa. Okay, I knocked 2 off. You hear them burping? These are for burp fans, I guess. Gary Gobbler. Gurgling Guts. Here's Gurgling Guts. They're pretty gruesome looking. And these are at Walmart in Florida.